My name is Jonathan Proper. I'm the founder of Drops.com. We were the first company to actually develop the liquid unit dose laundry pod 4 years before what I call big laundry, and have evolved as a company ever since. When that first Earth Day happened, it was all about, protecting this planet. It happened on Belmont Hill, and it was an absolutely magnificent sunny day, and we all sat out and had this wonderful picnic together. So, it's ironic that we can't celebrate Earth Day on a beautiful hill on a sunny day, 50 years later. Hopefully this 50th anniversary and the events that are happening around us will get us back on course in a way that brings us all together to solve this crisis and all together to solve the environmental crisis. I think sustainability is an important issue for the private sector to concern themselves with all the time. We have a very biodiverse planet, and if parts of the biodiversity get touched in some way, they can tip off a string of subsequent events that could be catastrophic, just like the coronavirus has been in this current environment. And we feel the consumer can have it all, meaning they can have sustainability, they can have great cleaning, and they can have it at a good price. And that's and if you do those things for the consumer, you'll create a loyalty to that consumer because you made it easier for them, and they can feel good about every time they use Drops. It counts. They know that they're saving some water, and they're saving this many plastic bottles, and their clothes are really clean and smell great. It's an evolution. It's not a revolution. We're always trying to do better, and as you do one thing that you hopefully improves the sustainability profile of the company and of the products we're making, then that's always one step towards better.